Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find these video to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it.
Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we are going to learn about exponent operator introduced in ES7 version of JavaScript. And we know very well that we have a method math.power that to find out the power. If I say 2 power 3, then we just run it and it will display 8, because if we say 2 power 3 it will display 8. If I say 2 power 4, then it will display 16, like this. So the same kind of functionality which we are getting from math.power we may have by using an exponent operator. For that, if I take one value like this, I say power equal to, and we have a lambda expression here, and in this lambda expression I just put the number and exponent value like this, and I have a number and I have a exponent value. This is the exponent operator, double star, and it will return the exponent value. So now I can achieve the same kind of thing which I am getting from the power, like this, and I say power and I pass 2 4 and I save it and I run it, and you see we have a 16. If I pass here 3, and here also if I pass 3 and I run it, and you see we have a same value. So same math.power function we can achieve by using double star exponential operator. By this exponent operator we just achieve the power of any number. Here we are passing 2 power 3, so we are getting 8. Same value we are achieving from the power math.power. So this is a new operator that is introduced in ES7 version of JavaScript. So you can use this operator also. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.